If your voice has started to feel breathy, thinner, or a little wobbly where it used to be rock solid, don't panic. You're not losing your voice. There's nothing wrong with you. This is a well-documented process called presbyphonia. It's age-related thinning and stiffening in the singing system. And the best part is, your voice is still highly trainable. Today, I'm going to show you what actually changes with age and the 3-step daily plan that restores strength, clarity, and stability. So what changes as we age? Well, there are 3 big but totally normal shifts. Normal doesn't mean permanent. Each one of these has a specific exercise that slows and can even reverse these changes. First is the thinning of the vocal folds. The folds lose a little bulk and they don't meet as cleanly in the middle. This is part of age-related muscle loss. This gives you breathiness, less stable tone, and often makes you feel like you have to push in order to sing. To rebuild this closure, we use clean, gentle onsets. Say, uh-uh, uh-uh. It's light, precise, and quick. Uh-uh, not slammed, not squeezed. Uh-uh. Squeezing is not going to help anything. We basically tap this sound into existence. We don't punch it. Do 20 to 30 of these a day. They're tiny. They're not super loud, and they work. You can vary the pitch. Just make sure it's clean and unstressed. Next, we have stiffening inside the larynx, our voice box. Parts of the larynx slowly calcify with age. They turn to bone, basically. They become less flexible. This makes your vocal transitions less smooth and can affect your range. One of my go-to exercises is the NG siren, as in sung. The tongue is up on the soft palate, and you just glide up, up and down. It's easy. You're not pushing for power. And each time you gently see if you can just go a little higher without stress. This stretches the vocal folds and warms up your system without strain. It's also a great exercise for the vocal tract. As you go higher, you'll feel your soft palate raise. Encourage that. You'll feel the back walls of your throat expand. This is all fantastic for the older voice. If it feels heavy, or you flip, you're too loud, back off. It's gentle. It's not a strength move. Do at least 4 or 5 glides a day. That will help move the needle on your voice. The third issue is that the breath engine weakens. Now, this is a big one. Our lungs lose elasticity with age, and the inhale and exhale muscles lose strength. The result is inconsistent airflow. This can cause instability, fatigue, vocal wobbling, a whole host of issues. So we want to strengthen our breath and our support. First, I want you to do a simple resistance inhale. Go like you're going to be slurping in thin spaghetti and breathe in through this narrow opening. This activates your muscles of inhalation. These muscles are incredibly important because we want to keep them engaged as we sing. If we just let go, all the air comes rushing out. So these muscles of inhalation are like the brakes on your downhill car of singing. We need them strong and engaged. Then we're going to take a straw in water. I love this. I use the Dr. Vox. You can just get a glass of water and a straw. And what you're going to do is allow this back pressure from the straw in the water to help stabilize airflow and also create better conditions for singing. Your vocal folds come together more easily with this back pressure. I want you to watch the bubbles because this will tell you if you're backing off or using too much air. You want it to be steady. As you go higher, if the bubbles diminish, you're not using enough air. Now, if the bubbles start to increase as you go higher, you're pushing too much. You want to keep those muscles of inhalation engaged. It's a feeling of pushing out, not collapsing in. So here's your quick daily plan, and you can do this throughout the day. Do your straw in water bubbling for about 60 to 90 seconds, 2 to 3 times a day. Then do a set of 5 NG glides, up and down, gentle, easy, and smooth. And finally, do 20 or 30 clean onsets. They're light taps. You're not slamming. Do this consistently while you're driving, quiet moments during the day, and your voice will feel stronger, steadier, and more youthful, especially for those of us over 50. Your voice doesn't have to fade. It just needs the right kind of consistent work. And if you would like a deeper guide to rebuilding strength, clarity, and range, you can get the free PDF download of my best-selling book, The Mature Singer's Guidebook. The link is in the description below. And keep going. Your voice is far more trainable than you think, even for us older folks. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk soon. Take care.